Shalom everyone, I am Jessica, student of Holy Torah at ACTC Seminary. Dear friends, this week's Torah portion is Bo, meaning come. It is the 15th weekly Torah portion in the annual cycle and the third portion in the book of Shemot or Exodus. In the fifth aliyah, Exodus 12th chapter, verse 21 to 28, Moshe instructs the elders of Israel to select a lamb for each household and apply its blood on the doorpost and lintel. So the destroyer will pass over their houses. The people are commanded to remain inside their houses until morning and to observe this rite as an eternal status for future generations. Parents are told to explain the meanings of Pesach to their children as a testimony of Elohim's deliverance from Egypt. The children of Israel bow in worship and obediently carry out all the Elohim commands through Moshe. Dear friends, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Torah lessons. Shalom, Lehitrot.